All right, guys, I'm going to make this video quick, easy, and painless. This is 4 things I'm going to cover in this video. 1 is, what training have I received? 2, who I am and what have I done over the last 25 years and why you can trust me with your repairs and inspections. And 3, what to expect with this channel. And 4, stick around to the end because this is where I'm going to tell you about the discounts that I'm going to give if you hire me. Let's get into it. Obviously, my name is Lee. I'm an advanced certified RV technician, certified by the National RV Training Academy. Okay, so what is my background prior to this? I did 22 and a half years in the United States Air Force as an aircraft crew chief. And what that means in the civilian world, an aircraft mechanic. I have performed thousands upon thousands of inspections on aircraft, and I have troubleshot and repaired thousands of aircraft. What that means to you, if you hire me as an RV technician, I will bring aircraft level precision into working on your RV and inspecting your RV. In the aircraft world, there is no such thing as being able to just break down on the side of the road. You have to be sure 100% that it is fixed properly because people's lives are at stake. And I'm going to do the same thing for you in your RV. So what that means for you is you should have peace of mind that I'm going to fix your RV 100% of the time correctly. So what can you expect in this channel? Well, a couple of things. This channel is going to be all about RVs. I'm going to be doing do-it-yourself videos. I'm going to be doing how-to videos. I'm going to be doing gadget reviews. Basically anything that pertains to an RV. My goal here is to make a better camping experience for y'all so that you can fix your RV by yourself. You don't have to hire a mobile RV tech. You don't have to take it to the dealership. But if you want to dabble into it yourself, I'm hoping to be able to provide you with some instructional videos that's going to help you keep your RV maintained and on the road. Lastly, guys, I told you I'd be offering a few discounts, and I'm going to be offering military discount, police discount, fire discount, and traveling nurse discounts. And I want to show my gratitude towards you guys because you guys are the heroes out there, and I appreciate everything you do. So I'm going to offer a discount for that. If you guys like this kind of content, please like, subscribe to my channel, and keep on wrenching.